Welcome to 60 Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. The First Amendment to the Constitution protects the right of Americans to peaceably assemble. Over the years since the passage of the First Amendment, the courts have sought to balance the right to assemble against other rights and the needs of the public. The Supreme Court generally has held that time, place, and manner restrictions, which affect when, where, and how assemblies occur, are permissible if two conditions are satisfied. First, the government imposing the restriction must identify a legitimate government interest, such as preventing riots or keeping streets clear during rush hour, and does not impose the regulation with the purpose of suppressing free speech or assembly. Second, the restriction must be precisely worded and applied in a non-discriminatory manner. That is, the restriction must apply to all groups and cannot be imposed because of the theme or the subject of the assembly. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic education only takes a minute.